Welcome to the learning graveyard, where spooky wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-o'-lantern, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-o'-lantern. Today we will be reading Don't Push the Button, a Halloween treat, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter.
Yay!
Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. That scary house is the only one left, but I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live there. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us gobbled up? Please, 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 don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all my candy if we go home right now.
Sigh. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say,
Trick or treat.
I'm too scared. You peek inside. Open the door slowly.
Eek! Monsters! Shout boo to scare them away! Again, louder!
That's better.
Looks like there's a note.
For Larry? Can you cut the string and get it down for me? Ooh, the note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Surprise, Larry! We have an extra special treat for you, trick-or-treaters. Oh boy, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Happy Halloween!
I told you we should trick or treat at this house.
Ooh, that was spectacular! You can get yourself a copy at any online bookstore or Amazon. Be sure to support your authors. Well, until then, you have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.
Jack-o'-lantern.